Now I would like to explain this another question. The question is the included code stub will read an integer n from stdin without using any string methods. Try to print the following. So if n equals to 5, then print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without converting any string. We have input 3, so output should be 1, 2, 3. So n equals to, like, we will take first the input from the user, then again use for loop. So for I in range. So here 3 is the number 3 is given. We have to count 1, 2, 3. But here 3 means if I write n only, then it will start from the 0. So I will start from 1, 1 to n. So it will go from 1 to 2 only, because like it starts from 0. Like I can show you, it will give only 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 and 2. If I want to combine, then I just have to end without space. So it will give us 1 and 2. Yeah, but we want 3. So I will add 1 plus, because by default it starts from 0 and n minus 1 to n minus 1. That's why. So yeah, now it's correct. Yeah, done.